Hey guys, welcome back to Code with me. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a HTML file in two ways. First is Visual Code and second is Notepad. So yes, today we are gonna make a perfect HTML structure. So let's start. So we'll start with Notepad. So what to do? Just press the Windows button, then open Notepad. You can see in any Windows system software there will be Notepad, PAD. Here Notepad comes. As I open it, here's the interface. So now we'll just start with the structure. So the basic codes will be open, close. Now we'll write HTML. Then we'll enter. Then once more, we'll just write head, HEAD, head. Then we'll press some space. Then we'll go with title. So here title will come, TITLE, title, TLE, sorry. So now we'll just go and write my first web page. So here how to end it, we'll just go here and slash title. Means whenever we want to close the thing, it will be slash title. So now we'll just press enter, two times, enter. Then we'll just write, just a minute, left body. So now its body will open. Now whatever we write will come in its body. So now we'll write, this is a SENTANCE, sorry, SENTENCE, sentence. So now we'll just enter two times and then close the particular close the body. So now as we did everything, this is our first word, but we need to close everything or else the code will go wrong. So now we'll just type this slash head and then enter slash HTML. So yes, now there are two ways to write HTML. So I'll show it to you in Visual Code. So as this is done, our first code is done. So how to save it? We'll go in File. We'll click on Save. Then some basic thing. I want to save it on my desktop, the particular file. I will just write the name, my web page. So yes, so this thing should be perfect. .html. So as this is all done, now we'll just press on save. As it's saved, so here is my web page. This is our first web page. So we'll just double click on it, and here's our web page, my first web page. This is a sentence. So as guys, our first web page is ready. So now we'll do the same thing through what can I say, Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So now I'll just close Notepad, and now I'll just go in Visual Studio Code, new window. So as we choose new window, it will open. We just wait for a minute. So yes guys, Visual Studio is opening now. It will open in a perfect way. So as guys, to do everything in Visual Studio Code is more easier. So here I'll just cut this. I was doing it. Oh no, it's lagging. Nothing. We'll just press on don't save. And now we'll go on File, new file. Let's do new file. This particular interface will come. Then we'll go on File, Save, on desktop as Untitled1. Now nothing to do, simple. Go here. Then we need to see this HTML. Then just tap on it. So now it is saved in HTML file. So now the Visual Studio Code has understood that this will be in HTML form. So now we'll just start. What were the codes? HTML. So yes guys, this also from typing errors and everything is very less in this. So now we'll just go here, goes. Now we'll need to write head, then we'll go inside space, open then we'll just write title, title. Then we'll write the title, my first web page. As the title is in here, I need to just press on slash title automatic. So just closing this, and then I'll just enter. As enter, I'll take one backspace and close the head. And then slash head. Everything done. Backspace and enter. Open close. Body, BODY. Body done. Then you just press on enter. Backspace. This is a sentence. This is a sentence. Enter. Nothing to do. Just press on slash body. All done. Then enter. We'll just write slash HTML. All things are done. Now the thing is just to test it. So we'll go on file, save, minimize. It has been saved here. Double tap. Here is it. Same thing, no difference. So guys, the HTML structure has been done. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you like such content, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. So guys, that's what was all for today. Tata and bye.